we're going to take a quick look at how we can use a class notebook page as an assignment. I've got my class notebook open and I've got a section in the teacher only area called assignment sheets, and this is just where I'm preparing the sheet before I set it as an assignment. This sheet happens to be about the water cycle, but any class notebook page can be used in an assignment. Let's go to my class team and set the assignment. I'm going to click on Create Assignment, and to do that you just need to go into the Assignments section or General Channel Assignments and Create. I'm going to choose Assignment. I'm just going to call this Water Cycle Diagram. Enter some instructions. It's important you add the resource, so when you click on Add Resources, you're going to select Class Notebook, and it'll open the class notebook for the associated team. And my worksheet that I was going to use is in the teacher only section, and it's in the assignment sheets section. And there it is, water cycle. Click Attach. It's now saying, where shall I put this assignment work? Now I've created a section called Assignments in the notebook for the pupils, but you could put it in any section you want. I'm going to choose Assignments. That way the children find it very easy to find their assigned work. I'm going to click Done. And finally, when I've filled out all the assignment details, including the date and the time due, I'm ready to click Assign. And that's the assignment set. When I go back to my notebook, and if I take a look in one of the pupil sections here, let's go to Pupil 1, Assignments, you'll see that the page that I created for the assignments has been distributed to each of the pupils, to the section where I said, in this case, Assignments. So when you set an assignment, it does the page distribution for you. Let's take a look at a pupil view. I'm now logged in as one of the pupils in the class, and if I go to my assignments section in the General Channel or Assignments in the tabs on the left, I can see where that assignment is. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to open the water cycle notebook page, and this is where the children can work on the activity. They may be dragging and dropping labels or writing some content. I won't do many changes here, I'll just drag a couple of labels. And when the children have worked on that and they've finished the particular piece of work you've set, they click on Close. And then when they're ready, they hand it in to complete the submission of their work. It's great, they get a little animation to show that the work is handed in. They can undo it if they want to work a little bit more. Let's go back to the teacher view now, and I'm going to go to my assignments page. I'm going to find the water cycle diagram, and I can see that one of the pupils has handed it in. You've just seen me submit pupil 1's work. What I can do here is click on the handed in and review the page that they've worked on. You can see they've dragged some labels. Maybe you want to add some feedback here. This goes on to the assignment workflow. I can return that work if I'm ready to. Maybe I want to edit their page and put some further information on it. I might want to add a sticker, for example, with some feedback notification in that. I'm making a sticker saying needs completing for this particular work. Click Done. And you can see any annotations or feedback you do direct on the page will also go to their page. And when you're finished editing, putting the feedback, click return. And then if I go back to the pupils page, they'll see your feedback, anything you've added to the page. When they have worked some more on it, they can then close and hand that assignment back in again if it needs resubmitting. So the process then of using a class notebook page in the assignment is quite straightforward, and it has the advantage of integrating your assignments into the class notebook environment.